Hey guys, I hope you're all doing great. I have not been in front of the camera in a few videos, so I'm really excited for today's video. I'm glad today's the one I decided to come back for because today's video is extremely special. It is a giveaway and I have not done a giveaway on my channel in like at least 2 to 3 years. So this one has been a long time coming and it is definitely the biggest one that I have ever done. So I'm really excited. I put together a bunch of skincare and hair care products for you guys that I genuinely love and that I would love to share with you. And yeah, so we'll get right into it. Okay, so before I show you the products, I'll start with the giveaway rules. Super simple. All you need to do is be subscribed to this channel and click on the notification bell. To follow me on Instagram at allnatural28. I will be announcing the giveaway winner on Instagram, and that is also where I'll be DMing you and getting your contact info. And I'm also going to have another giveaway on Instagram really soon, so you'll be able to watch out for that as well. The reason I'm doing this is because I cannot contact you directly through YouTube anymore, so Instagram is the easiest course of action. And then finally, I would like you to leave a comment in the video below. It can be anything you want, and you can comment as many times as you want, and this way you'll be entered for the giveaway. So this video is open to, this giveaway is open to everybody, and it will be live for the next week, so up until the next video goes up. And so basically within the next week, you can come back anytime you want and leave as many comments as you'd like, share it with a friend if you want, and this way you can increase your chances of winning. So yeah, so those are the rules, super simple, and now I will definitely get into the products. So the first thing I have is a Jade roller. Now this is like my new holy grail product. If you follow any skincare accounts on Instagram or have been following any skincare accounts on YouTube for that matter, you would have seen one of these in their videos. It's such a handy little tool. You use the top part to roll your face and it helps with blood circulation. It helps to even out dull skin, and then you have the bottom part which helps to depuff under your eyes. I keep this one in the fridge. As you would have seen in my previous video, I keep it in the fridge and then I use it every morning under my eyes to really help to depuff. So yeah, all around it's such a great product. If you leave it in the fridge, your skin will feel like it's getting a nice cold stone massage. It's so relaxing and luxurious. So this particular Jade roller is from a company called Earthling Botanicals. They are based out in Vancouver, and the owner, Ruby, is extremely sweet. Like, she's such a genuine sweetheart. So she was kind enough to send me my first Jade roller and get me hooked, and so I really wanted to share one with you guys too. So yeah, this is what a Jade roller looks like, and hopefully if you don't already, once you get this product, you will be hooked as well. Okay, so the next product I have for you are these sheet masks by the brand B.liv. This specific box set is the Hydrate Away Moisturizing Cellulose Mask, and you would have seen this in my previous video as well as to what I keep in my skincare fridge. You know I love me some good sheet masks. I love sheet masks so much, especially after like a long day. You get into bed, put one on, watch Netflix, and by the end of like 15-20 minutes, you're left with extremely plump, hydrated, glowing skin. So I mean, who could say no to that, really? And this specific one, after 2 hours of single use, you'll get your skin hydration levels increased by 15.6%, which, if you ask me, isn't such a bad amount. They contain organic algae, rice extract, hyaluronic acid. I think you guys will really enjoy this one. Okay, so next I have 2 hair care products by the Innate Life. You would have seen the scalp mask featured in my video as well last week. So this is the scalp treatment. It's extremely moisturizing. What you do is you leave this, massage this onto your scalp and leave it overnight, and then the next day you wash it off and you shampoo and condition as you normally would. And what this does is just works to improve the health of your scalp. So if you have very dry scalp or irritated scalp like I do, this is a pretty good product to use. It just makes sure that your scalp is healthy and not overly dry, so you don't get flakes and dandruff. So the Rose Hair Elixir contains 15 organic oils and it smells wonderful. So it comes with like a little dropper tool, if you can see inside, and you just apply this all over your hair if you want, or just on your scalp. What I do is when the ends of my hair are very dry, I take a few drops of this and massage it in, and it's just lovely. So the Innate Life is a Canadian company. They're based in Toronto, and all of their products are natural. So I know that you guys love your natural products, so I think you guys will really enjoy these two. Next is the Bioderma makeup removing micellar solution. So this is like a micellar water that you use to remove all your makeup and all the pollution and gunk that got on your skin throughout the day. I absolutely love this. I have the sensitive skin one. However, the winner will be getting one depending on whatever skin type they have. So if you want the normal skin type bottle or the oily skin one, it's going to be up to you. And basically I use this to remove all my makeup. I don't put makeup on all the time, but when I do, one of the biggest problems that I have is that I get lazy and I don't want to remove it. And this takes off a lot of the work for me. Like, I just put a little bit on a cotton swab, swipe it up, and all the makeup comes off. So I don't have to like keep working at it. So I've been a lot more diligent with taking off my makeup. So I generally really love the Bioderma brand. I think they're great. The products are great for people with sensitive skin, so me. This particular one is paraben free. You don't need to rinse it off, and it's hypoallergenic. And something I love about using this as well is that your skin doesn't feel overly oily when you use this, and your skin just feels hydrated and nice. It's just a nice sensation left on your skin, and it feels clean and hydrated and proper. So next I have the Avene Eau Thermale Spring Thermal Water, and basically, again, I featured it in my video last week. A lot of these products are products that I featured because I genuinely love them. So this is like a spray, and you spray it on your face, and it just gives you a wonderful mist of thermal water, and it literally feels like your face just drank a glass of water. It is the strangest sensation, but it feels so wonderful and hydrating. And like, I put this on, I spray this onto my face, and then I do my moisturizer and everything. And then throughout the day, if my skin feels kind of dry, I'll put on a spray of this as well, and it gets the job done, and you feel very lovely. I also really love the Avene brand because they're made for people with sensitive skin, and so anytime I can find a brand that works well for sensitive skin, I'm all on board. And again, it's hypoallergenic, it's a dermocosmetic company, so they make sure that it's dermatologist tested. So yeah, the Avene Thermal Spray. It's such a holy grail, and I think it will become yours. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I don't use this just for sleep. I use this all day long. It is my favorite lip balm that I've ever tried to date. I use it morning, day, night, doesn't matter. And it just keeps your lips so plump and hydrated, and it just softens your lips so much, and you just like have wonderfully soft, plump lips. Honestly, like, I can't describe it any further than that. It smells wonderful. A little goes a very long way, and I've been using this nonstop for at least a good 4 or 5 months. I just keep repurchasing it, and I think you guys will really enjoy this one too. I'm telling you, everything that's in this giveaway are products that I think you will enjoy and that I genuinely enjoy, so I just can't wait to share it with you, basically. Alright, so last but not least, the pièce de résistance is this. Ta-da! It's a mini fridge, and it is the same mini fridge that I have, the Cooluli one, 4 liter. You saw it in my video, you know how useful it is. I keep it on my vanity, but you can also put this in your car. Like, let's say you're going on a long drive, you can take this with you and it charges in your car. So it's just such a handy little device to have. And I know that ever since I got a fridge in my room, my products, I've been a lot more diligent about using them. I never forget to apply them. Usually when they used to be in the fridge, I would always forget to go get them. This does not happen anymore. It feels so much more luxurious on the skin. The application goes on a lot more smoothly. The coolness of the products really helps to firm up and depuff your skin. Yeah, so this is the fridge. Mine is in white. You don't have to have yours in white. You can have it in any color that you want. There's quite a few selections, so you can pick the color that you want and it will be sent out to you. Alright, so that is it for today. Those were all the products for the giveaway. I hope you guys are excited. I definitely am. I cannot wait to see who wins. So yeah, please make sure that for the next week you come back, you enter, you leave comments, that you're following me on Instagram, that you're subscribed to this channel and hitting that notification bell. And the winner will be announced very soon. So thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see what your entries look like, and I will see you guys next time.